Hola Aliens y Sparkles. If you're new to this channel, my name is Adi and I invite you to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss whenever I post a new video. So, as you can obviously see, I'm not on the normal spot we are, and that is because we got some new furniture and we had three of them, and we already assembled two and we did it together. But the third one, my dad was like, can you assemble that one? I was like, sure, I can do it. I have no idea why I did that. And I am going to be filming how I assembled this, and I'm going to bring you guys along and I'm going to show you how to do it, because if you ever buy one and you can assemble it yourself, I will see you guys in just 1 second. I am going to start opening the thingy and I'll see you guys. Okay, so in here we have the instructions and we also have the things we are going to use, like nails and that kind of stuff. So just to tell you guys, this has like a description, like it says A, B, C, D and goes all the way till the end. Let me show you guys. And so there it says wish is wish. So what I did, I made some cards with like the letters, and I'm going to be putting each of the things with the letter it belongs to be more organized, honestly. So as you can see, I put it up there. I know the letter I is missing. Don't worry, I do know the ABC, but I am going to show you just now why I didn't put it there. So I had to put the I down there because it's like very long. So you're going to need a hammer and a screwdriver. Bob the builder, can we do it? Yes, we can. Of course we can. So the first thing we are going to do is use the hammer to put some nails down. I just realized that I wasn't recording. So now the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to put these little things on the bottom of the legs of the closet itself. And we are going to do that. So if you have to move the closet, it won't damage your floors, because you don't want that, I don't want that, none of us want that. So quick thing, when you're looking for the bottom of it, the top looks like this. On the bottom, it looks like this. So it's easily recognizable. Because lemon one is for less. So I just finished putting this here. This is what is going to make the drawers slide in and slide out of the closet. So both of them are there. And now we have to continue building. I didn't do this part, the last part. All I did were the drawers. And right now I'm having such a hard time doing all of this, and I'm getting very, very upset because I don't really understand what goes where, and the instructions aren't very precise about it, right? So we'll make this work.
"48 hours later."
Hi there. Yes, it's been 2 days after, and I had tests and school and all that, so I couldn't finish, but now I am about to finish, so yeah, let's just do that. So after 2 days, we are finally done with it. I am going to show you guys what it looks like just now. If you guys like this video, then leave a big thumbs up. Comment down below what would you guys like to see in the next video. And have a nice week, and I love you guys so much.